Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to be talking about location targeting and how it works. So location targeting is basically you're able to, in your advertising platform, let's say it's Google or Facebook, a lot of times you can actually exclude specific locations. And this can be very, very important to help increase your ROI. So if we look at snowblower here, we can see in Google Trends, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. We can see that certain states have a higher interest level than some of the other states. So we can see that Alaska, North Dakota, Minnesota, Maine, that these states have a very high interest level. And if we go towards the end of this, we can see that the interest level will keep dropping and dropping and dropping. Now, if I keep going to the right here, we can see that, so Texas, Florida, Louisiana, Alabama, these states don't get really any snow. They either get very little or no snow at all, usually. So these states are states that you're most likely would be losing money on if you're selling a snowblower, because there's no snow there or there's very little snow. No one really needs a snowblower. So what I would actually do is exclude these locations and all these locations and just get only run traffic in the regions with the highest interest rate, right? So I'd probably only run with the top 10 and see how that would do if I was running a snowblower. Now this will vary depending on which offer or product you're promoting. So different products will perform differently. This is not just about weather. It's about some people. One of the best pay-per-click guys I know, he actually targets by financial regions. So he tries to find the richest areas, and he promotes his product in the richest areas because he noticed that his conversion rate is much higher in those areas. So this is just kind of a quick overview. Yeah, so I mean, there's tons of different things you can target by. You can target by age, gender, all sorts of different things, but it's really, really important that you make sure that you know your audience before you start paying for paid traffic, because it can get very expensive if you don't know what you're doing. So I just wanted to make this video just so you guys can understand the importance of knowing your audience and research before you actually start spending money on paid advertisements for paid ads. So thank you guys for checking out this video, and take care.